Hello everyone. Today is part 2 of this NOOB to Pro with only red bees. Today we'll be trying to get the Precise Bee, Red Mythic. And in part 3, I will get the equipment, the mask, and the shoulder guard. Today I'll be focusing on Quest and making that money to be able to get Precise. Let's go claim my daily reward. I don't have any tickets or money left from last video, so let's do a quest. These are the quests I'll be doing today. My weekly quests are the hardest you can get, which is bad, but I'll manage. Let's go to normal plus mode for my daily quest, and also for the boss quest from weekly quests. I will skip past all the grinding. No one would watch that. Now we can go claim our quest. I will skip past using tickets. Most of the time I get nothing anyway. Now let's go get eggs so we can get pity for Precise Bee. I will speed up me hatching eggs. I have every red bee except Precise anyway. That's all the eggs I can get. I'm going to go do easy mode a bunch of times for the kill boss's quest. First easy mode. Second easy mode. Let's go to lobby and check my progress. No weekly quests done, unfortunately. I'll use all the tickets. Once again, I'll skip at me using them. I used the tickets. Time to buy eggs. That's all the eggs. I'll go to more easy mode for the weekly quests. First easy mode. Second easy mode. Finished a weekly quest, so let's go to lobby now. Once again, I'll skip me using tickets. I have a ton of cash. Let's spend it all on eggs. All the eggs expect a grinding. I will do some endless. A skipped a freaking ton of grinding, and not finished a weekly quest, let's claim it. I have a lot of money, so let's spend it all on eggs. That's a lot of eggs. Let's open them. Oh my God. I did not expect that. Well, that's gonna be all for today. I got my goal. Sorry this was a short video. It was all just a grinding, which I was too lazy to record. Next video is even more grinding, still a lot more, because I need to get the mask and the shoulder guard. That might be in 2 days because yay. I still have one more quest to do for when I post part 3. Stay tuned for that. Saya everyone, I hope you get good luck like this, mate.